Using advanced sonar and ROVs, the team meticulously mapped the legendary liner's debris field, revealing its secrets.
Confirm the depth reading and stabilize the ROV. We are targeting the Titanic's deck section.
We are approaching the target depth of 12,500 feet.
To these years.
The hull integrity at the bow section is compromised. We need to adjust the ROV path.
The primary issue is the metallurgical fatigue on the bow section. Agreed. We should implement the carbon nanotube reinforcement as shown in the green schematic.
The holographic projection highlights the stress points accurately.
Yes, but the original drafts suggest a different rivet pattern on.
Look at the decay rate here on the starboard side.
Running a full spectral analysis now. The structure is heavily compromised.
We're showing critical instability in the forward section.
The countdown is at 8 seconds. We have to vent the tanks now.
Slow the winch on line 3.
Copy that. Slowing 3.
We have movement on the third section. Slow and steady now.
Clear the starboard side.
2 inches to contact.
The corrosion here is extensive. The 3D imaging highlights the stress fractures around the main gash.
Hold fast, lads. Lower away on the main tackle.
Watch the starboard side, gently now.